Log flumes on a river of syrup, face flappinating.
Severe thunderstorm emergency. For more, the National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeast Canadian County in central Oklahoma, northern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, southern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, an extremely powerful thunderstorm was located in Norman, moving northwest at 50 miles an hour. This is a severe thunderstorm emergency. For more, hazards include 110 miles an hour wind gusts and softball-size hail. Source: law enforcement indicated. Impact: this is an extremely dangerous situation. Mobile homes will be obliterated, roofs may be torn off. Expect shattered windows, damage to siding, trees, and cars will occur. Expect damage to homes and businesses. Locations impacted include Moore, Southwest Oklahoma City, and Norman. To repeat, this is a severe thunderstorm emergency. For more, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Empty jar, don't we?
Cricket.
Come on, everybody.